Today we're heading to the supermarket. We're looking to pick up something cheap. Whatever's on sale I'm going to buy. I'm going to cook something with it. Let's see what we can find. Looks like it's Samgyopsal for today, so I'm gonna get home. Football starts in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna get going and figure out what to do with this pineapple. And I did figure out what to do with the pineapple. The football's about to start, so I need to get cutting. I'm going to take our pineapple, cover it with brown sugar, cinnamon, and then fry it in a pan. I love the taste of pineapple when it's done this way. I remember getting it at a Brazilian barbecue like that, and it's just so delicious. So this is the quick version because, like I said, football starts soon and I want to be watching the game, not cooking and watching the game. So mix it up and then just put it to the side while you prepare the other ingredients. That'll let all the delicious juices mix together nicely. To put with my delicious samgyeopsal, I need some kimchi, which I'll fry. This is samjang, which is a very delicious Korean sauce, and my one in particular is very special there. That's a samjang we received as a present from a friend. So homemade, so good. Yolmu kimchi, this will be the kimchi. I'm not going to fry this one, I'm actually going to fry the other kimchi, and this will be the kimchi on the side to mix with the lettuce. For your pineapple, chuck it on the fairly hot pan, because you want the pineapple to really get caramelized and you want a little bit brown outside of your pineapple if you want a better flavor. I love samgyeopsal, and I've got this lovely pan perfect for throwing on samgyeopsal. This is my meat pan, usually I cook meat on this. So it's a perfect pan that we want to really get a good sear on our samgyeopsal. Flip it over, make sure both sides are well cooked, and then slice it into little pieces and finish it off to make sure it's fully cooked. You want your samgyeopsal to be not burnt, but a little bit crispy on the outside when you're cooking it, as well as making sure it's, of course, cooked on the inside. Let the pan sit there, don't wipe the pan down, chuck the kimchi in there. Fried kimchi with samgyeopsal, so the fat that's come out of it is so tasty. Alright, we're ready to plate and eat this. Look at it all, it's so delicious, and even better, you can slightly hear the football in the background if you listen carefully. So we know the football's on, so I need to film this and I need to eat this. When you're doing it, have it your way. Look, I've got some fried kimchi, yolmu kimchi, samjang, but you can put different things with samgyeopsal. And obviously the fried pineapple was a spur of the moment thing based on what was on sale and what was cheap. Just make what you think is delicious. Play around with it a little bit. And obviously a lot of people put rice in it as well, though I just didn't have rice today for this one. I thought that was more than enough food that I've got. The pork that we cooked was perfect, crispy on the outside and then still a little bit soft in the inside. But of course, it is cooked. You don't want undercooked pork. And the pineapple is exactly the flavors we're going for. Cinnamon, sweet sugar, but then it's also got that fried, softer flavor to it. It takes a bit of the acidity out of the pineapple. So I'm trying to work here. I'm trying to get my thing made. Oh, something's happening on the TV. Yes, goal for Korea. Lovely. Now there's a rule here when you're eating these samgyeopsal. You got to get the sam part right. Wrap it all up into one ball, and then you have to eat the whole ball in one. No half bites. Though I admit it takes a little bit of time to get used to doing this. And getting used to eating such a big mouthful. I still struggle with it. It's been a very long time that I've been living in Korea. I hope you enjoyed the video, just showing you a little bit of a different way to have something as simple as samgyeopsal. Enjoy your cooking, and if there's any favorite ways you like to have samgyeopsal, let me know in the comments. Enjoy! 안녕히 계세요.